How much does YouTube ads cost? Powerful tutorials. Are you curious about how much YouTube ads cost in the USA? This video explores the key factors influencing these costs. YouTube boasts vast audience reach and diverse ad formats, making it a standout digital advertising platform. But how much does it really cost? Several factors affect YouTube ads cost, such as your chosen bidding strategy, ad quality, target audience, and ad duration. Understanding different ad types is crucial. Skippable ads cost less, but non-skippable ones ensure views. Bumper and discovery ads have unique advantages too. YouTube ads typically cost between 10 cents to 30 cents per view, or $10 to $30 per thousand impressions, varying by ad type. To optimize costs, target the right audience and create compelling ad content. Engaging ads usually perform better and cost less per view or click. By understanding these factors and optimizing your strategy, you can effectively manage YouTube ad costs and achieve your marketing goals.